Cool beans. So what do we got? Uh, torque wrench. P0. 29 foot-pounds. That's the steer stem, 29 foot-pounds. P1, 40 foot-pounds. Your motor mounts. P2, 110 foot-pounds is your stator, or is your magneto flywheel. Bolt. P3, stator covers, general covers. P4, 65 foot-pounds. That would be your clutch boss. P5, 5.8 is your pressure plate for your clutch. P6, 68 foot-pounds is your swing arm motor mount. Yeah, that mounts the swing arm and the engine at the same time. Your pivot point. P7, 30 foot-pounds will be your cylinder bolts. That's your cylinder housing bolts to the bottom end. And 27 is your head bolt camshafts, right? 16 foot-pounds is your timing chain. Your timing chain nut. Your timing chain tensioner nut. So there's the first 10 presets. Yeah, nice, huh?